Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Xiaomi's Poco F1 is making quite a buzz in smartphone industry right now, as the phone offers impeccable performance at an affordable price. Xiaomi slightly revamped MIUI for Poco by adding handy features like app drawer and navigation gestures. In this video, we are going to talk about tips and tricks of Poco F1 so that you can get most out of your phone. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. Check the link in description to find our dedicated tips and tricks video for MIUI. Let me start by talking about the features of the all-new Poco Launcher. One of the best features I like about Poco Launcher is the ability to group icons by color. If you go into home screen settings, you have an option to group icons by app color. Once you enable that, you can see colorful dots at the bottom of the screen and apps are categorized based on their colors so that you can easily launch them. By default, Poco Launcher categorizes apps based on their purpose like photography, gaming, and so on. Tap on the settings on top right corner and you have option to reorder the categories as per your liking. You can also hide the specific category by dragging them into the hide session. Notch is the new innovative feature that all smartphone manufacturers include on their phones for no specific reason. Some people may like the notch and some may hate the notch. If you guys like the notch of Poco F1, it does work out of the box. If you hate the notch, then go to settings, full screen display and toggle hide screen notch option and you have full screen display without notch. Now that we are in full screen settings, let's talk about navigation gestures. In full screen display settings, enable full screen gesture option and now you can navigate the phone with the swipe of a finger. You can go to home by swiping up on the home screen, switch to recent apps by using swipe and hold, and go back by swiping from left or right edges. These gestures provide an extra screen real estate on your home screen and provides immersive full screen experience. However, I like to keep this feature off. The next tip is important one and I would recommend everyone to use this feature on their Poco F1. When we play games or read articles at night on our phones, the blue light from our phone's display may affect our sleep cycle. To turn reading mode on, go to display settings and toggle reading mode option. You also have an option to schedule the reading mode for a particular time period like from 10 am to 6 pm. I recommend everyone to use reading mode on their Poco phone. Poco F1 has one of the best looking LCD display with good color accuracy and contrast. MIUI also provides an option to tweak the display color profile. Go to settings, display, contrast and colors and you can choose among standard, increased or automatic contrast option. You can also choose between warm or cool tones. I prefer to keep the default settings as it works for me. With Snapdragon 845 and liquid cooling on board, Poco F1 is definitely a phone for gamers. Check out dedicated Poco F1 gaming and heating test video for more details. Poco F1 has a dedicated gaming mode hidden in Security app. Open the app and tap on the game speed booster and now you can add the game for which you want to enable game booster. When you play a game with game booster turned on, all background running activities will be minimized or closed and you get priority internet access to minimize in-game latency and do not disturb mode will be turned on. Most Xiaomi phones support Micast out of the box and if you are an owner of Android or Mi TV, you can easily cast your phone screen to TV. On your Mi TV, open the Micast app. Both your phone and Mi TV should be connected on the same wireless network. On your Poco F1, navigate to settings, more and toggle on wireless display. Now after a few seconds, Mi TV will be listed. Just click on the Mi TV and your phone's display will be instantly casted to your TV. Although Poco F1 supports quick face unlock feature, you still have to wake the phone by pressing the power button. You can use the double tap to wake or raise to wake gesture by enabling it from settings. Here you will see option to enable rise to wake and double tap to wake gestures. Enable the gestures and you can unlock your Poco F1 by just raising the phone using face unlock. How cool is that? Poco F1 offers solid battery life, but in case if you are low on battery and cannot charge your phone, you can enable the inbuilt battery saver option. Go to settings, battery and turn on battery saver to keep the phone alive for a prolonged period of time. The next tip is about privacy. Poco Launcher also provides option to hide app icons completely from home screen and app drawer. To do so, long press the empty area of home screen and select settings. You have option to hide app icons. Set the pattern and now open the app drawer, then swipe right twice to view the hidden apps. You can edit and add apps which you want to hide from your sneaky friends. Customization option is one of the things I love with Android. In Poco F1 you can change the design of icons. Long press on the home screen and select More, and you have an option called Icon Pack. As you can see, there is a system icon pack and the one we had downloaded. You can find thousands of free icon packs on Play Store which you can download and install to change the look of icons on your Poco F1. The next tip is how to see memory status on recent app screens. Once again, long press the home screen, More, and enable Show Memory Status option. Once done, if you go to recent app screen, you can see the available RAM on your phone. Poco F1 has a decent sounding studio speakers, but we tend to use our headphones most of the time. The phone has some cool audio effects tailored to specific headphones. Connect your headphones, go to Settings, Additional Settings, and choose Headphones and Audio Effects. Now enable the MIUI enhancer and optimize the sound to your liking using the equalizer option. I find this feature quite handy while listening to music. You can fiddle around the settings and choose the one which provides pleasing sound experience to your ears. Last but not the least, cache and obsolete files take a ton of storage in your phone in case of prolonged use. It is better to clean the cache once in a month. MIUI offers inbuilt cleaner solution which lets you to clean the unnecessary cache and junk files. To do so, go to Settings, Storage, and at the bottom you can find the cleaner option. Just click on the cleaner option, it will clean all the trash and junk from your phone. The other MIUI features like Dual Apps, Quick Ball, Second Space are also supported on Poco F1. I have a dedicated MIUI tips and tricks video in which I have explained how to enable these features, so you can check the video out. Hope these tricks are useful to you guys. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech and gaming videos. In case if you guys have any cool tips for Poco F1, share them in the comments below. I would love to hear them. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.